How do you use the loop post feature? Send Start to your bot and click Channel Setting. Now choose the channel that has been upgraded to Pro Channel, select Post, then Loop Post, and click Add New Loop Post. You can configure text, media, and buttons for your post. Set text. Reply with your text. Text updated successfully. Set media. Select images, videos, or files. Media updated successfully. Set button. Enter the content according to the format in the prompt. Button updated successfully. Switch to multimedia. This button will convert the post to a mode which you can configure text and multiple images, videos, but files and buttons are not supported. We won't use this mode for now. After completing the above configurations, click here to preview the message. The 3 functions below can be enabled or disabled according to your needs. Among them, Delete Last is a function unique to Loop Post. When this function is enabled, the previous post sent by this loop will be deleted before sending the new one. Next, click Loop Interval. You can directly use these buttons here to set daily, weekly, or monthly loops. Or click Interval to set an interval within 24 hours. Once done, click Back. Here you can view the loop interval and the exact time of the next post. Click Back, then click Next Step. You can choose to publish the post immediately or schedule it for a later time. Repeat the above steps to add multiple loop posts, and you'll achieve the effect of having multiple posts auto-looping simultaneously. When you need to modify a post that's already in the loop, including the post content, loop interval, and other settings, you must click Update after making changes for them to take effect immediately. Otherwise, the old version of the post will be published one more time before switching to the new version. Let's check out how it works. Now these posts will automatically loop in this channel at the set interval. You can keep your channel active without spending too much time and effort, while boosting the visibility of key information to get more attention from your subscribers.